Okay, so have you completed your homework?
Yeah.
Okay, and now you are able to do the prime factorization of the numbers from 1 to 100.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Let us check how fast you can do. Check. Okay, so I will be giving you a number. First, you have to give me numbers. Okay. So we will start with the first test. That is your oral test. You have to tell me all the prime numbers in 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. You have to look front and you have to tell me. Okay, ready? Your time starts now.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 57, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97.
Okay, there was one mistake. You said 57. 57 is not a prime number. 57 is a composite number. 19 into 3 is 57. Alright. Were you seeing and telling me, or you were just telling me from your mind?
No, I was just telling because I memorized it.
Okay, but you memorized wrong for 57. Just check it again.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97.
Wonderful. Are you able to write this in 30 seconds as well?
Write it.
Yes.
All the
So,
prime numbers.
yes, you have the pen and a notebook with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Blank page?
Yeah.
So I am starting that time. Let me see how fast you can write. Okay, you have to just write for see, you have to write like this 2 3. Just wait. So you have to write like this 2 3 5 7, and then below that you can write 11 13 17 19. It will give you a clear picture of how the numbers are being divided into 4 4 2 3, like that. Okay,
Wait, how many seconds do I have?
you have all 45 seconds. 45 seconds. You don't care about the timings. You just focus on the writing part, focus on the prime numbers. Just write as fast as you can. Let it be the record. You are breaking your own record. It's not about the time, it's about the understanding, how fast you have understood this. Okay, then we can conclude the timings. So are you ready? Okay, so your time starts now. You can speak while writing.
67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, 71, 73, 79, 83. What? Stop it. Yes, Mom. I'm done.
For 24 seconds. Show me. Show me your handwriting. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67. Show me, just take it above. Show me once again. Yes. 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Okay, one more time I want you to write this. Okay, turn the page. Turn the page. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Your time starts now.
Done.
Okay, show me. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 79, 73, 79, 83, 89. Wonderful, beta. Well done. Well done. So it was a record breaking, just like me only. You are writing. Your writing speed is also good. Okay, so now we will focus on the composite numbers. Now that you are aware about what are the prime numbers, so rest remaining numbers are the composite numbers, right? How many composite numbers are there? 74 from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100, 25 prime numbers, and one is neither prime nor composite. So how many numbers you are left with? 74.
Wait, so I just say all the numbers that are not prime numbers?
Yes, you must remember now all those numbers which are not prime numbers, because the numbers which are not prime numbers are composite numbers. Are you getting it? The numbers which are not prime numbers are actually the composite numbers. So now we will focus on the composite numbers, because we learned what are prime numbers. If we haven't learned what are prime numbers, how can you focus on the composite numbers? So now that you have learned the prime numbers, we will focus on composite numbers. How many composite numbers are there? 76. How many are there? 76 from 1 to 100, because 25 prime numbers, sorry, 74. 25 prime numbers and one is neither prime nor composite. So 26. And 100 minus 26 is how much? 74. So 74 prime numbers. So first we will do from 90 to 100. And I want you to tell me how fast you can tell me, okay?
So all the composite numbers from
No.
90 to 100?
Yeah, first tell me all the composite numbers from 90 to 100. You can just speak, you don't need to write, just speak.
Right now?
No, don't write down, you can just speak, tell me. 90, 91, 92, 94,
Okay.
like that.
90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 98, 99, and 100.
Okay, wonderful. Now you have to tell me the prime factorization of the number that I will ask you. For example, if I ask you what is 98, you should tell me, sir, it is 2 into 7 square, like that.
Oh.
Okay, this was your homework, to write the prime factorization of number from 50 to 100. If you haven't done this, make it to the next week, or you are going on the vacation. So when you come back, please make sure that you know the prime factorization of the numbers from 1 to 100 in just 3 seconds. Like you can ask me as well. You can ask me, you can challenge me. You ask me any number, composite number. See how fast I am saying. Ask me any 5 numbers.
Any composite number?
Yeah, any composite numbers from 1 to 100 only.
57.
19 into 3.
48.
2 to the power 4 into 3.
32.
2 to the power 5.
27.
3 cube.
15.
3 into 5.
63.
Okay, 3 square into 7.
81.
3 to the power 4.
82.
2 into 41. So this is what you need to do, okay? Because I knew that if you do the half of a number, so how I am doing it, let me tell you the process as well. So whenever you are saying a number, I am just deciding in my mind whether it is a prime number or it is a composite number. Oh, sorry, it is divisible by 2, it is an odd number or it is an even number. If you are telling me an even number, I am sure that it is going to be divided by 2. So I immediately do the half of that number. And if by doing the half of the number, the other number is prime, I just stop there. For example, when you said 82, I did half of it. And I said 2 into 41, because I know that 41 is a prime number. Since I know 41 is a prime number, so I am able to do that in just 2 seconds. If I am not sure that 41 is a prime number, I will keep on factorizing 41 as well. So that is not needed. Then you said 32. Since I know that 2 to the power 5 is 32, it's very easy. Then you said 48. So how I did for 48? I know that 16 into 3 is 48. Right? 16 into, I know the table up to 19, I told you. So 16 means what? 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 into 3 is 48. Are you getting it? So this is how you can do it. 15 is divisible by 5. So I told you as 3 into 5. Okay. So this is how you need to do. Let me see if you can do it by yourself. So we'll start with certain numbers from.
But wasn't the homework this week wasn't 50 to 100? It was only to do the times tables of 13, 17, and 19 and the prime numbers. So that was all.
Yes. So from 1 to 100, I taught you all the prime factorization, right? We have done all the prime factorization. 1 to 50 was done in the previous class, and 100 to 50 was done in the last class. So now that you know the prime factorization of numbers from 1 to 100, you know it. So if you remember the table of 19, 17 and the exponential power, this is the outcome that you are going to produce. This is the outcome. You don't need to remember. I didn't ask you to remember. If you know the table of 19, 17, 13 and the prime and the exponential power that I taught you in the last class, you remember all the exponential powers? Tell me what is 2 to the power 9?
2 to the power of 9 is 512.
Okay, 5 and 2. Okay, you have to be quick, more quick. What is 2 to the power 6?
64.
Yes. What is 2 to the power 5?
321. Oh no, just 32.
Okay, what is 3 to the power 6?
64.
3 to the power 6.
Oh,
3 to the power 6 is 729.
729.
Okay, so this is what is required from you. You have to tell me as fast as you can. You have remembered the table up to 19, right? So let us start. Tell me what is 68?
68 is.
No, don't look at there. Just look at me. No, by looking at it, how you will say? That's not a deal. So 68 comes in which table? Tell me.
8.
No, 68 comes in the table of 17. 17 into 4 is 68.
Oh.
Okay. So how you will tell 4 as 2 square? So it will be 17 into 2 square. Are you getting it? 17 into 2 square is what? 68. Tell me what is 76?
19 into 2 squared.
Wonderful. See, it's so easy. What is 95?
19 into 5.
What is 85?
5 into 17.
Very good. See, it's so easy. Tell me what is 8?
8.
Yes, 2 cube.
2
to the power
2
3.
squared into 2.
That is 2 cube.
Oh.
That is 2 to the power 3. 8 is 2 to the power 3. Okay, what is 16?
2 to the power of
4.
4.
Yes, what is 24?
2 to the power of
Okay, not like this, Shanaya. See, focus here. 24 comes in which table? Tell me the biggest number that comes in the table of 24. 8 into 3, you can say 12 into 2.
12 squared. 12 squared.
No, it is not 12 square. It is 12 into 2. Either you can say 12 into 2 or you will say 8 into 3. Okay? So 8 into 3 is better to say. Remember 24 as 8 into 3. So what is 8? 2 cube. What is 8? 2 cube. So 2 cube into 3 is 24. Alright. What about 72?
72 is 2 2 cubed into 3.
No. See, 72 you take it as 9 into 8. 9 into 8. So what is 9? 9 is 3 square. What is 8? 2 cube. So you have to say 2 cube into 3 square. Okay?
Oh.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
See, what number you are choosing is very important. The number you are choosing must be The number you choose must be like they don't have any other factors. Like 9, you can separate it out. Tell me, what about 54?
54 is
2 into 27. 2 into 27. What is 27?
3 cubed into 2.
Very good. So this is how you have to do this. What is 81?
81. 3 into 4.
3 to the power 4, yes.
Yeah.
3 to the power 4. Okay. So this is, you understood your homework now. This you have to do. You have to practice this. Alright. Let me see how fast you are in calculations. So I will ask you some numbers and you have to tell me the addition part. Okay. So tell me, what is 17 plus 9?
26.
Very good. What is 26 plus 9?
35.
What is 35 plus 4?
39.
Okay, good. So your addition part is good. Wonderful. Good. So once your addition is good, your multiplication will also automatically become good, because multiplication is the repeated addition. Keep on adding the numbers. Okay. So now you have learned all the divisibility rule. You know about 2, 3. Tell me, what is the divisibility rule of 3?
For 3.
I told you about the digital sum.
The digital sum has to equal to 3, 6, or 9.
Wonderful. What about the 4? The last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. In that, you can categorize the digits into 2 parts. One is ending with 0, 4 or 8. One is ending with 2 and 6. The numbers ending with 2 and 6 must be, previous number must be an odd number.
Oh, a number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits is also divisible by 4.
Yes. And after that, I made you write to categorize the digits into 2 parts. One is ending with 0, 4 or 8. And another ending with 2 and 6. The numbers ending with 0, 4 or 8, the previous number has to be an even number. The number ending with 2 and 6, the previous number has to be an odd number. You remember this? Or no? This is 1's place, 10's place. Do you remember this? No? You should remember this as well. For example, if somebody asks you what is 2042, is it divisible? So you will see 2, the previous number has to be an odd number. So this is not divisible. So if I ask you what number I can change, what is the maximum number that I can put here so that this number is divisible by 4? So the answer is 9. The answer is 9. What could be the least number that I can change 4 as so that it is divisible by 4? What could be the least number here instead of 4 if I want to replace this?
2?
No. The previous number has to be an odd number, the number ending with 2. What is the lowest odd number?
The lowest odd number? 1.
Yes. So it should be 2012 to make it divisible by 4.
Wait, but how? Because if 4 is, because you said it's going to be divisible by 4 if the sum is equal to 4, or
No, I didn't set sum equal to 4. When I said sum equal to 4, I told you last 2 digits is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits taken together is divisible by 4.
Oh.
And then I told you to categorize the digits into 2 parts. Try to understand this. Okay, try to understand what I am saying. If you understand this, then only you will go ahead. So I am saying there are 2 kinds of numbers. one ending with 2 and 6, and one ending with 0, 4 or 8. How many kinds of numbers are there with the table of 4? 2 kinds. One is ending with 2 and 6, then another one is ending with 0, 4 or 8. If the number is ending with 0, 4 or 8, the previous digit has to be an even number. Even means any number. So like if you are ending a number by 4, so 24, 04, 44, 64, 84, all numbers are divisible by 4. But what numbers are not divisible by 4? So you can't put an odd number here. 14, 34, 54, 54, 74, 94. These numbers are not divisible by 4. If a number is ending with 0, 4 or 8, the previous number has to be an even number. If the number is ending with 2 and 6, the previous number has to be an odd number. Are you getting it? So is the number ending with 2, the previous number is an odd number? The answer is no. So I asked you, what could be the maximum number which can be placed instead of 4 so that it is divisible by 4? The answer was 9. Because we can only put odd numbers here because it is ending with 2. Are you getting it? And what could be the least number? The answer is 1. Tell me, are you getting this concept?
Yeah.
Okay, so next question I am going to ask you. 1, 1, 4, 4, sorry, 1, 1, 4, 3, 8. Is this number divisible by 4?
No.
What could be the maximum number instead of 3 so that it is divisible by 4?
4?
No. I am
2?
asking the maximum number.
Oh. 8?
Yes, the maximum even number is 8. So if I replace 3 by 8, then it is divisible by 4. What could be the least number so that I can put here it is divisible by 4?
2?
0.
Oh, because 8 is divisible by 4.
Yes. Not 8. The lowest even number is 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you've been asked to choose the least number, you can choose 0 because 0 is less than 2. Are you getting it? Tell me, do you remember the divisibility rule of 5?
A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5.
If the number is so what is the divisibility rule of 6?
A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3.
Very good. And such numbers 2 and 3 are what kind of numbers? Co-prime numbers. You remember co-prime numbers whose highest common factor is 1. Then what is the divisibility rule of 8?
A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are also divisible by 8.
Okay. So how to check that number? I categorize them into 2 parts. If the number is divisible by 8, the previous digit has to be an even number. Okay, no need of that. What is the divisibility rule of 9?
A number is divisible by 9 if the digit sum is 9.
Digital sum is 9. Good. What is the divisibility rule of 10?
If the last digit is 0, the number is divisible by 10.
What about 11?
A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of alternate digits is a multiple of 11.
Wonderful. So you understood this part? Okay. Now that we have learned the divisibility rule, we will just learn how to add fractions now. Okay, are you comfortable with the integers? Let me check. You know what are integers?
No.
You don't know integers?
Sorry?
You don't know integers? I didn't taught you about number system.
No. Oh, I don't think you did.
Okay, no issue. Okay, so first I will start with the number system. Number system is a group of numbers. Like you have a class, you have a building, you have a society. Okay, so we all are engaged with some other system. So same goes with the number system. Number system means all the numbers together, taken together, are filled in a bag. So
Wait, should I write this down?
you must. Natural number. The first number system, the first kind of numbers in the number system is natural numbers. What are they? Natural numbers. It is represented by the capital letter N. N means, so whenever you see mathematics N, you should understand that they're talking about natural numbers. So Shania, if I ask you, beta, can you start counting? Can you start counting, beta? Do
From
count.
one?
No, it's your naturally, whatever you wish. Start counting.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Wonderful. Well done. So naturally, where you have started counting, from where you have started.
1.
So even if you ask a stranger, whenever you meet anybody in your life, and even a small kid, he will also start from 1. So since naturally we start counting from 1, so such numbers are known as natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes up to infinity. So we put a 3 dot, put a comma and just write infinity symbol. This is an infinity symbol. Infinity is not a number. Since I can't write all the numbers on the board, so I am just using a symbol infinity to legalize a bit. Infinity is not a number, it is a symbol. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Then we will move on to the next kind of numbers, that is known as whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by capital W, and the only difference is the inclusion of 0. Rest everything is same. If you just include 0 in that, the group of natural numbers, it becomes whole numbers, that's it. Alright? Then comes the third kind of number system, which are known as integers. Integers are represented by capital letter Z, and it comes from negative infinity. See, the largest number I can't write, I'm putting it at infinity. So what could be the lowest number? It will be minus infinity. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, infinity. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then comes the next kind of number system, which is known as rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented by the capital letter Q. Q means quotient. Q means quotient. So whenever you divide two numbers, like in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0. P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0.
Wait, what is that sign? What does that sign mean between Q and 0?
Okay, I will tell you all the signs now. Okay, good question asked. I was about to tell you. So I am going to tell you the symbol to be used in mathematics. Okay, so let's start with the basic symbol. What does this mean?
Wait, I'm gonna
What does this symbol mean?
equals to.
Okay. So what do you think about this symbol?
Not equals to?
Yes. What does this symbol represents?
It's the number on the left side is greater.
You just have to see that it is greater than. What about this?
It's lesser than.
Very good. What does this symbol represent? Parallel. Okay? Parallel for lines. This represent perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree.
Wait, what's that thing next to on perpendicular lines? What's that thing next to line
This
on top?
one?
Yeah, that.
That
Yeah.
is, I have written R, small r, perpendicular. So that R I am representing so that there is no confusion. No need of that. You don't need to write that. This symbol itself means perpendicular. But for the sake of a habit, we are just putting R here so that teacher can easily understand that we are writing perpendicular. Perpendicular lines means the lines which are inclined at an angle of 90 degree. You know about angles? You know about angles? Degree of rotation. See this? So this is one initial line, so this is the degree of rotation.
Mm-hmm.
So if a line is like this angle is known as 90 degree. And these two lines are known as perpendicular lines. So when two lines are inclined at an angle of 90 degree, they are known as perpendicular lines. We will learn about that in geometry. But right now we will talk about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 perpendicular lines. What could be the, okay, so this symbol, one more symbol. Therefore, because of, or you can use this symbol for since, and this means element of. Or you can say belongs to. This means for all. This means for all.
Wait, which is the one of because of since?
Since, because of, oblique since. So
No. The one underneath it.
that means element of, belongs to. So just you have to make a C and you have to break it like this.
But what does it say?
Yeah, it is same only.
No. What does it say?
It say belongs to. So you belongs to your own mom. Consist of. Your fan belongs to you. Belongs means, I hope that you know what is the meaning of belongs to.
Yeah.
Okay, so instead of P and Q are integers. See, I have written such a big statement. I could have written P and Q belongs to Z. What is the meaning of this? This means the same. P and Q are integers. P and Q consist integers only, belongs to integers. And Q is not equal to 0. Alright. So today we will start with integers. So I will see whether you are able to solve these numbers or not. So shall I open your sheet only?
Yeah.
Excellent. So we will be doing the questions in maths in grade 5. Which
So
grade?
should I write down the homework?
No, I will tell you separately, don't worry.
Mhm.
First, let us learn some things. So we will learn the operation with the integers. Okay, understanding integers. A person, just give me 1 minute. Hello? एक second. हाँ बाबा बताना क्या क्या हम्म 10 बस 2 आइटम ना ठीक है okay as a person climbs the mountain, the temperature drops 4 degree Fahrenheit for every 1,000 feet climbed. What integer represents the change in the temperature for every 1,000 feet a person climbs? So whenever, see, if I ask you a very simple question, Shanaya, suppose you have bought something in $100 and you are selling it in $120. Okay, so what is the profit that you are gaining?
$20.
Okay, suppose you sold it at $80, then what is the loss you are gaining?
$20.
Okay, good one. So in both the cases, you use the same number, that is $20. But if somebody is not aware about profit and loss, okay, if you want to tell a small kid, or a small kid also won't understand actually, so he will understand only profit and loss. But in mathematics, how to differentiate between the two? In both the cases, you will say 20, 20, so it is not good. So in one case, you will say it is positive 20 because you are getting a positive part. In the second part, you are getting a negative 20 because the operation has to be done in the same manner. So selling price minus cost price, 80 minus 100 is how much? 80 minus 100 is how much? Negative 20. Negative 20. 100 minus 80 is 20. But 80 minus 100 is not 20. It is negative 20.
Negative 20.
So you should say in case of loss, it is represented by negative. Similarly, let us say the case of the temperature. In the temperature, if the temperature is above 0 degree Celsius, we will term it as a positive. But if it is below 0 degree Celsius, do we say again it is 1 degree Celsius? No. We will say the temperature is negative. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So if some terms are used above, raise, increased, more, that means positive. If some terms are used like it drops, it decreases, it reduces, then we use the word negative. Understood?
Yeah.
So how do we represent for this? Drops 4 degree Fahrenheit. What should I write here? Positive 4 or negative 4?
Negative 4.
Wonderful. Good one, Shanaya. Danny received some shares of the stock in a video game company for his birthday. Yesterday, the value of the stock rose. What is the meaning of rose?
Like increased?
Yes. So it will be 5. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Here also you can do this by your homework. So this is your homework. You can say O1. Write down 6th grade O1.
So for my homework, I write it down.
Grade 6 O1.
Grade 6 what?
O1. O sheet. Sheet number O and 1. First sheet. It is the sheet number. Okay, I will message your mom as well. Don't worry. So this is your homework. You understood how to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us start with O2. Integers on the number line. So this is a number line. In the middle of the number one line we have 0. On the right side we have the positive number. On the left side we have the negative numbers. So what is this number? Easy?
2
Yes.
minus 1.
So can you finish this sheet by yourself?
Yeah.
What
So
will
I also write O2.
Yeah. So tell me for this as well.
Minus 4.
Okay. Good one. Tell me for O3. Graph integers on horizontal and vertical numbers. Okay. So you have been asked to graph the number. What is the value 2? So you will go at 2 and you have to click it. Once you click it, it will become 2. Can you see that? If you want to erase this, suppose accidentally you clicked here. So if you want to erase it, you can click it again. It will vanish. Then you can change your answer like this. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now where is minus 2? Minus 2 will be below. Above is positive 2, below is minus 2. Understood? So with this you will have an idea of number line. So O3. Don't need to write now. I will just message your mom as well. So O1, O2, O3. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Understanding opposite integers. So let's understand opposite integers. What are opposite integers? So graph 4 on the number line. Where is 4 on the number line? This is 4 on the number line. What is the number opposite of 4?
Negative 4.
Very good. See, it's so simple. So simple. Graph minus 3 on the number line. So you will graph this. What is the opposite of minus 3 is? Plus 3.
Positive 3.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now O5.
Wait, so I have to do O1, O2, O3, O4, and O5?
I will tell you all the homework in once. I will tell you all the homework. Don't worry, okay? You will easily understand. The number line shows the point at 4. Can you see point at 4?
Yeah.
What is the distance it from the 0?
What is the distance from 0? 4?
Yes. And what is the absolute value? Absolute value is the positive value. So that is also 4 only. Okay? Okay. What is the distance of this from 0?
5?
Okay. What is the absolute value?
Negative 5?
No, absolute value of a number can't be negative. So it is always
Or just
positive.
5?
Yes, so distance is only absolute value. The distance is actually the absolute value. Are you getting it? Okay. So I hope that you can do this as well. Let's move on to the next sheet. Absolute value. Okay. So what is the absolute value? This is the symbol for absolute value. You write two vertical lines and put a number in between. So absolute value of a number is always positive. So for this it is 7. What it is? 7. What about this? What is the absolute?
-9. Oh no, just 9.
Yes. See, it's so simple. You can do these sheets in 2 minutes. How many minutes? 2 minutes. You will just vanish this sheet. Tuck, 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 tuck. You just need to click, 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 click. Put up the answers. Okay, what will be the answer for this? 3.
3.
Okay, let's finish this. So it is 5.
5.
Let me see how fast we will do it. So it is 8.
8.
So 4.
4.
19.
19.
Good. 86.
86.
84.
84.
3.
3. 6. 26. 7. 9. 53. 714. 4. 7. 65. 635. 49. 703. 6. 36.
See how much time it took. So all the sheets are very simple. If you will do just in 15 minutes, you can do all the sheets. All the sheets. Okay, so O6 is already completed. So now that you won't be able to do O6. So I am just leaving it for you so that you can enjoy this. Alright. Integers inequalities. Okay, compare integers. So you can compare integers which is greater, which is smaller. The one which is on the right side is always greater. So between 0 and 8, which is greater?
8.
So 0 is less than. Alright. Minus 8 is less than. So accordingly you have to choose the symbol. Alright. Okay. 07. Okay, you know what? You also have the we also give some prizes to the persons who come first on the leaderboard. The price is very less, but it is a handsome amount. I don't know about you. So I am giving $2 in India. Okay, it is $2 in India. It is 160 rupees for the person who come first. And the second, for the second one I am giving $1.5. So if I ever see your name here, it goes for a week. It goes for every week. Okay. If I ever see your name here, see, right now it is also going. So Kian is on the first, Devansh is the second, Virat is third, RL is fourth. These are the skills. So just now we did one skill. As you got 100 marks, it means one skill. So where you stand on the 11th position. Just now we finished one skill. So how many skills you can do if I ever see your name here among the first two? So what will be done is I will reimburse you as some chocolate or something like that. I will ask the Amazon to pay at your home. Okay, I will just check it out. But it's a weekly examination. It's a weekly leaderboard. It is not for one day. See, 1 day 7 hours is remaining. So it goes for every week from Monday to Monday. For you, it will be Monday to Monday. Okay? Monday 7 p.m. it will start, and up to next Monday 7 p.m. it will go. You can do the Excel in the mobile as well. So if by chance you get time apart from Qmon to do these sheets, then you can also come on the top as well. Alright. So just as a gesture of love, I give some, you can say, small token of love as a gift to the students who come on the first two position. Not on the third, not on the fourth, only the first two. So there are many kinds of tests. One is skill based, one is number of question based. How many questions somebody has done correct. So there are different kind of tests. Alright, see, these are skill based. So they both have done 94 skills. You know what is 94 skills? In a week. That means every day how many skills they have been doing? 14 skills. So it is a very achievable task. Devansh is in grade 6. These are grade 6 students. Alright? Okay. So you can, it is not about the only homework that you can do. It is all about the sheets. You can do any sheet, you can do English, you can do social, whatever you want. It is open to all. It is not for a particular grade. You want to do grade 1 sheet, you can do grade 1, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8. You can go to any grade, any topic. Choose, learn. There is a video in that. Learn it, do it. It's very simple. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Integer inequalities with absolute values. Okay. Tell me which number is what, which statement is true?
The one in the middle.
Okay, so say less than. What about this?
The first one.
No. It's very tricky, my dear. It is modulus of 8. What is the absolute value of minus 8?
8. Oh, okay, so it's the middle one.
Okay, so say less than. What about this?
It's equal.
Wonderful. What about this?
The first one.
Say greater than. I told you all the symbols today. Don't say first one, second one. Say greater than, less than, smaller than, or greater than. Tell me for this.
Equals to.
No, my dear. Minus 4 is less than plus 4. This is not absolute value. Here is the absolute value. Minus 4 is not equal to plus 4. Minus 4 is less than 4. Alright? This is a bit tricky, I am telling you. You have to be very careful. What about this?
Greater than.
Very good. 13 is greater than negative number. What about this?
The lesser than.
Very good. Less than. So I hope you can do this. Alright. Now we will come to the operation on integers. So that means the all O sheet. You can do every sheet on the O. You can do every sheet on the O. Okay. Now let us learn operation on integers. So first we will learn how to add them. So what is the meaning of minus 2 plus 2? So this minus 1, 0. So which sheet is this? This one. You have to select this and you have to submit.
Wait, what app is this on?
What?
What app is this on IXL?
Yeah, this is your IXL only. It is Shanaya. Can you see your name here?
Yeah.
This is your IXL only. I am doing on your IXL. This is very interesting. IXL is a very, it's the best content I have ever seen in the world, which is being provided to you. So make use of it. Don't let it go just by itself. Make use of it. All right? Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Use counters to add 1 plus minus 1. Tell me.
Add one. The second picture shows the sum.
Yes, 0.
The first one.
This one.
Yeah.
See how many negative buttons, how many negative counters you had initially?
6.
No, you had 3 only.
And
then you added 3 more. Now how many you have?
6.
So 6 negative counter is represented here. Are you getting it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about this?
Minus. Wait. Can I see the options below?
Yeah. You understood this part? Now the option is here.
Yeah. The one with 8 negatives.
So can you do this as well?
Yeah. Wait, what sheet is that?
That is next sheet. After O, it is P. So P1. So you can do O, you can finish all the O sheets and the P sheets up to whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, you don't require me because you are taking it off for 3 weeks. You are going for Christmas holiday.
3 weeks. Not really. Not 3 weeks. Because
So
we're
whatever-
going on December 13th to December 30th.
So that is 3 weeks only. Because
It's
today is the
2.
first week. Today is the first week. So December 13th to 30th. How many days? You tell me, just we are doing integers. From 30 to 30, how many days are there?
17.
17. 17 days means how many weeks approximately?
2.
And half. 2 weeks means 14 days. Okay.
3 days.
3 weeks. From now if you count. So start counting from today. Because today is 12th. So till when we will meet? We will meet in January. So this is the first week. So how many weeks you are disappearing from me? 3 weeks.
3.
Are you getting it? So after 3 weeks when you meet me, make sure that you have understood this. You don't require me to do this. You can click on the video, play the video. The video will tell you how to do it. They have a very better accent than me. It is the British or the American accent. You can understand this very well. You will enjoy the video and then you can do the questions based on that. So explore IXL. Okay, don't just do on the sake of I am saying it. Just do the sake of that you want to do it.
Hi, Sudhanshu.
Hello, ma'am.
Winters have come in. I can see you with the jacket.
Yes, ma'am. Winters has already came, ma'am, last month only. But right now it's too cold.
Now it's too cold.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, good. We are also packing up woolens. Sudhanshu, you are in Delhi now?
No, ma'am. I am in Punjab.
Punjab mein kahan pe?
Ma'am, Jalandhar district. Have you heard of
Oh
Jalandhar?
my God. I am from Jalandhar. I am going to Jalandhar, Sudhanshu.
Arey, when?
My parents are in Jalandhar. My father, unki last posting thi Jalandhar.
Okay.
उसमें MH में, मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल में, मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल में।
मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल।
और उसके बाद गुड फूड, गुड पीपल, गुड गोल्फ कोर्स। देन हमने वहीं पर ही अपना, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू नो, ओल्ड फगवाड़ा रोड पे रंजीत एनक्लेव है।
अच्छा, नहीं मैम, एक्चुअली आई एम मतलब आई एम नियर टू जलंधर। हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ आदमपुर?
Of course,
So
I've been there.
okay, so I'm in Adampur only.
Oh, nice.
Yes, I'm in Adampur only. So my wife is principal. Just here 200 meter there is a school, Euro Kids,
Oh, nice.
and my son is also studying here. He's in grade 8,
Oh, wow.
and I'm just working from my home studio.
Very nice.
So
Very
we are
nice. So one of my cousins was in Meccanf. आपको वहाँ पे Meccanfantry का कुछ था उस टाइम पे, 5 Meccanf. So
Okay.
we had gone to visit him, and 2-3 दफा I've been to Adampur.
Okay, तो आप next time आप कब आ रहे हो फिर?
We are coming 13th को हम आ रहे हैं. So 1 week we will be in Delhi because Arjun's parents are there. And फिर 2-3 दिन जलंधर में, चंडीगढ़ में, क्योंकि my younger brother वो चंडी मंदिर में उसकी पोस्टिंग है. And then we come to Jalandhar for 4-5 days.
तो मैम जब भी आप जलंधर आओगे प्लीज लेट मी नो.
Oh, thank you so much.
मैं तो हुई यहीं पे. I will host you as well.
Thank you so much. That's so kind of you.
I know the cooking as well, so I will just give you dosa. आपके पूरे परिवार को I will just serve dosa.
अरे वाह, thank you so much. That's so sweet of you, Sudhanshu. मुझे पता नहीं था. I thought आप दिल्ली में based हो.
नहीं मैम, दिल्ली में तो इतना pollution है मैम, वहाँ तो खाली
I know.
pollution रहता है. हम कहाँ
Crazy. I also prefer Jalandhar to Delhi. Good people, warm people, welcoming people, weather is better.
Yes ma'am.
So yeah.
और मैं तो आदमपुर इसलिए लिया क्योंकि I was been posted here only. 8-9 years before I was posted here. Then we bought the land. मैम तो outsiders हैं. We are from UP, उत्तर प्रदेश. तो क्योंकि मेरी पोस्टिंग थी, I loved this place. यहाँ ना pollution है ना population है. It's a very simple
अच्छी
place.
जगह है.
And within 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, you can get each and everything. You don't need to go anywhere. If you want to look for the mall or the movie, you can go to Jalandhar or the Hoshiarpur. अगर आपको और बड़ा सिटी जाना है तो you can go to Ludhiana. अगर और ही बड़ा जाना है तो Delhi is also nearby only. It's 5 hours journey with the Shatabdi.
I know, absolutely. We drive down Delhi, Jalandhar. We always drive down.
तो अभी आप जो वेकेशन पे आ रहे हो, आप इंडिया ही आ रहे हो?
इंडिया ही आ रहे हो?
अरे वाह मैम, ये तो बहुत.
तभी मैं वुलन्स पैक करी थी. आपकी जैकेट देखी तो मुझे, मैं पूछूं मैं कितनी सर्दी है.
तो आपका कहाँ, अमृतसर में लैंड कर रहे हो आप सीधे?
नहीं, दिल्ली.
अच्छा, आप दिल्ली जाओगे, फिर
दिल्ली फिर जलंधर लगा के फिर वापस हम दिल्ली ड्राइव करेंगे, फिर वहां से फ्लाइट लेंगे.
ओके, तो मैम जलंधर जब भी कब आ रहे हो, फिर आपका फोन नंबर यही रहेगा व्हाट्सएप पे?
नंबर यही रहेगा, बट बहुत टाइट शेड्यूल है हमारा. मेरे ख्याल से 4 दिन होंगे जलंधर में.
कोई बात नहीं मैम, मैं तो आपसे 1 घंटा ही मांगूंगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा.
अरे थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. अगर हमारा बना ना थोड़ा सा भी टाइम, आई वुड लेट यू नो दैट.
ठीक है, पर आप आना तो मुझे बता देना. आपका टाइम नहीं बनेगा तो मैं आ जाऊंगा आपसे मिलने.
अरे that's so sweet of you, Sudhanshu. Thank you so much. Shania, Sudhanshu sir is saying he'll come home and he will teach you in Jalandhar. ये सर पकड़ के बैठ जाएगी अपना.
आप यहाँ आके मेरा स्टूडियो भी देख लोगे और अच्छे से देख लोगे.
अरे that's so nice. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
So happy holidays to you also, Sudhanshu. January then we'll connect again.
हाँ, मेरी तो क्या हॉलिडे मैम, मैं तो पढ़ाऊंगा ही. बाकी बच्चे तो हॉलिडे तो शनाया की है.
चलो, see you, thank you, bye bye.
मैम इधर आना पक्का, मुझे बताना जब भी आप जलंधर आओगे.
ठीक है, all right, thank you, bye bye.
Bye.